Hello guys, welcome to the new video series. In this series, you're going to learn two verbs that are similar to each other, with the only difference that one is going to be transitive while the other is going to be intransitive. As I would say, transitive-intransitive pairs. If you don't know what is the difference between transitive and intransitive verbs, let me explain shortly. You might have seen that Japanese people have the SOV style of writing sentences, where both subject as well as object come before the verb. If a word before the verb is an object, you can be sure that the verb is transitive. Unlike them, intransitive verbs can only be put in front of subjects. But the rule isn't quite set in stone, as there are some exceptions in Japanese. The first pair that's going to be taught today is going to be hajimeru, hajimaru. Both of these verbs mean to start or to begin, but the usage is different. Japanese people use particles in the sentences to indicate purpose of words in the sentence, so two of these particles will be introduced. The first particle is hiragana ga, which is used to indicate a subject in a sentence. The second one will be hiragana o, and it's used to indicate an object. Since the object cannot be put behind intransitive verbs, the transitive verbs will be put after particle o. In this case, hajimeru is a transitive verb, so you are free to say e o hajimeru, to start an A, where an A indicates an object. This verb can also be called an active verb, as the object is being acted by the verb. Here are some examples. Bijinesu o hajimeru, to start a business. Geimu o hajimeru, to start a game. Tasku o hajimeru, to start a task. All three of these examples use hajimeru with the particle o in front of a noun. The second one, hajimaru, is going to be an intransitive verb, or let's say colloquially a passive verb, because the action of beginning happens by itself. E ga hajimaru now means that something starts or it will start, and this time A will represent a subject in a sentence, just like in these examples. Gakkou ga hajimaru, school starts or will start. Bangumi ga hajimaru, the show starts, will start. Sakkar shiai ga hajimaru, a football match starts, will start. That's it for the first video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos in the future. If you have any questions about the lesson, write in the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!